My toddler needs more snacks. She is addicted to freeze-dried fruit and freeze-dried yogurt bites, but those aren't quite cutting it because she's not getting enough vegetables. I have a ton of these leftover vegetable purees and a ton of rice cereals and oat cereals. So instead of tossing them, I am going to go ahead and actually turn them into something that she can eat now. I'm going to use the purees and mix them up with the cereals to act as a binder, and then we're going to pipe those out onto sheets, freeze them, then freeze dry them, and have a nice crunchy little snack that is healthy for her to grab whenever she needs or for me to add to a meal for her. So let's get started. I'm going to tell you all up front how I did this because it's insanely easy, and then you can just watch the process with some nice music. All I did was mix 2 tablespoons of rice cereal per container of pureed veggies. Mix that together really well, dump it into a Ziploc baggie, cut the corner off, and then just pipe them all onto a sheet. I did this with about 5 different flavors, so she'll have some variety. I even tried some different shapes just to see if they freeze-dried any differently, and I even tried one of these without any rice cereal just to see how it turned out. Though I'll spoil that one, it fell to powder as soon as I even touched it, so that's not quite gonna work for what I was hoping for. After 20 hours in the freeze dryer, they were ready to come out. And at this point, it's really just a matter of powering down the freeze dryer and getting them packaged as quickly as possible so that they don't take on any moisture from the air. And of course, letting the baby test them. She definitely devoured them, just like her other freeze-dried snacks. So we'll definitely be adding these to the list of things to make again in the future. Follow along for more freeze-drying ideas.